In this video, I'll be sharing on how to use body scrubs to achieve a bright and even skin tone. If that sounds like something you love, then you must keep on watching. First off, what are scrubs or body scrubs? Body scrubs are physical exfoliants. Just the way we have chemical exfoliants, we have physical exfoliants. I always advise people to use the physical exfoliants on their body and the chemical exfoliants on their face. Reason is because the skin on the face is light and you don't want to use something that would be so harsh on it. Not really that these body scrubs are kind of harsh, but then the skin on the face is not to be compared with the skin on the body. The skin of the body is a little bit tougher than the one on the face, and you don't want to use something that would cause micro tear on your face and all of that. So that's why I advise to use chemical exfoliants on the face and then body scrubs on the body. Okay, I'm making a list of the body scrubs you can use and how to use them to achieve an even and brighter looking skin. The first I want to talk about is the Loofah or the bath sponge. I'll put the pictures of everything I'll be sharing with you guys on the screen. Bath sponge is a gentle and soft physical scrub that you can use, take away the dead skin cell from your body. And the best way to use it is to lather your soap on it and then go onto your skin with a circular motion, okay, so as to get rid of the dead. I prefer using a circular motion because it has a way of I don't know how to explain it, but it's just the best way to get rid of the dead. Instead of just going a straight way, run it through your body on a circular motion. Okay, second is the exfoliating gloves. Scrub can be used on a daily basis. Like, it is gentle on the skin. You can use it every day to get rid of dirt or oils from your pores, okay, and it does the work well. The same way you use the loofah or the bath sponge is just exactly the way you use your exfoliating gloves. Just pop it on your hands, lather your soap on it, and then run it through your skin on a circular motion. Okay, the next I want to share with you guys is the exfoliating scrubs. The exfoliating scrubs is just the normal one, that kind of has grains. Okay, I love using that one a lot because some of them are formulated with products that would moisturize your skin. You want to lighten up your skin. There are some body scrubs that actually lightens the skin as well as exfoliates the skin. You can go for the sugar scrub, the coffee scrub, the salt scrub, but my best is the sugar scrub because sugar contains AHA, which is a gentle exfoliant, and the grains of the sugar also cleans up your pores and makes it clean for your product to get into your skin and do the work for you. So I would advise you to go for sugar scrub and sugar is also moisturizing. Yeah, sugar scrubs are moisturizing. So if you want to moisturize your skin, especially for those with dry skin, as well as exfoliating your skin, go for the sugar scrub. The next I want to share with you guys is the exfoliating brush. For this brush, I normally advise to use it on the areas where your hands cannot reach, such as your back. Okay, some persons, their hands cannot really get to the back to clean up their back properly. The brush is best to do that for you because it's kind of it just does the work for you. Okay, it gets to the area where your normal hands, using your scrub, your normal hands might not get to those areas, but this brush would help reach to those areas where your using your hands cannot get to. The bonus point for this video is what to do after exfoliating your skin. Your skin takes away the dead skin cells, the oils, and makes your pores very clean to receive products. Now what you want to do is to go in with a very hydrating moisturizer or body lotion. If you don't know the body lotion to opt for, I have a video I made on the different types of moisturizing body lotion you can go for. I'll leave the link in the description box. Go check it out. Okay, you want to go in with a moisturizer or a body oil. I love using both of them after using my moisturizer, and then I'll go in with my body oil just to lock in moisture. Yeah. All right, thank you for sticking to this point. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did a few minutes. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, love my videos, share my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.